Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're delving into the world of fixed income investments, particularly bonds. While stocks often steal the spotlight, bonds are the unsung heroes of a balanced portfolio, offering a reassuring level of stability. So, if you're seeking to diversify and add a secure element to your investments, stick around. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a bond? Simply put, it's a loan. You, the investor, are loaning money to an entity, such as a government or a corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back the principal amount, also known as the face value, at a set date in the future, called the maturity date. But here's the beauty of it, they also commit to paying you regular interest payments known as coupon payments at a fixed rate. This is where the fixed income part comes in. With bonds, you can confidently anticipate how much you'll be receiving and when, making them a more predictable investment compared to the sometimes turbulent stock market. There are different types of bonds, each with a risk and reward profile. You have government bonds, considered the safest, corporate bonds with varying degrees of risk depending on the company's financial health, and municipal bonds issued by local governments. Choosing the right bond for you is a decision that should be driven by your unique financial goals and risk tolerance. Empower yourself by conducting thorough research, understanding the terms, and considering factors like credit ratings and interest rates. Speaking of credit ratings, let's talk about the role of credit rating agencies like Moody's and S&P. These agencies assess the creditworthiness of bond issuers and assign ratings accordingly. The ratings influence interest rates and the risk of default. Bonds with higher ratings generally offer lower interest rates but come with lower risk, while lower-rated bonds may provide higher yields but carry a greater risk of default. Maturity dates are another crucial aspect of bonds. Bonds can have various maturity dates, ranging from short-term bonds maturing in a few years to long-term bonds maturing in decades. The choice of maturity impacts interest rate risk and potential returns. Generally, longer-term bonds carry higher interest rate risk, meaning their prices are more sensitive to changes in interest rates. Let's take a moment to discuss interest rate risk in more detail. Bond prices have an inverse relationship with interest rates. Bond prices tend to decline when interest rates rise, and vice versa. This is because existing bonds with lower interest rates become less attractive than newly issued ones with higher rates. Understanding interest rate risk is crucial when investing in bonds, as it can impact the value of your investment over time. Bonds can be valuable to your investment portfolio, offering stability and a steady income stream. They can help diversify your holdings and provide a buffer against market volatility. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning and exploring the world of fixed income investments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on investing and personal finance. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. And be sure to check out our other videos for a wealth of knowledge to help you on your financial journey.